Thank you very much for participating in this month's Member Painting Challenge. Now here's the fun time. Lauri is going to do the drawing for the 2 winners. And here you go, Lauri. This is your space.
Hello. Thank you for participating in this month's member challenge. I'm going to write every participant's name on a slip of paper. After that, I'm going to draw 2 slips from the can. Those 2 people will receive a Bootstrap whiteboard for a prize. Let's begin! Do you have more paper? Okay, now I'm done writing the names. Now we're going to pick 2 slips out of the can. First one, Trish Man. Second one, Lauri Shaw.
Continue painting and have fun. Thank you.
Bye.